Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Forensics Assignment 2, that is a command line forensic investigation using the Sleuth kit. In this we have two tasks in total. The first one will be the environment setup, second one will be volume and partition analysis, and the third one will be file system structure analysis, and the fourth one will be doing file and directory enumeration. So first let me open the virtual machine that we have installed. So the first thing that we need to do is the sleuthkit installation. That's the first task, and we can do it using the commands sudo apt-get update, that is to update the system first, and then install the sleuthkit. So, so now the system is updated. Next, let's install the sleuthkit. We can install it by using the command sudo apt-get and then install sleuthkit. So it's installed, and to check whether it's installed successfully or not, we will use the command nmls and hyphen and capital V. It gives the version of this rootkit that is installed. Now, as we have completed installing the required tool, let's proceed with the next tasks that we have. The first one will be evidence verification, and we use the command line tool image_stat, that is img_stat. Uh, this tool is used to display details about the given disk image file, details such as size and type of image formats. So first, let us run this one. So you can see the details like image type is raw, and size in bytes, and also the sector size is given. And next, we have another tool that is img_cat. It is a tool that is used to output the contents of an image file. So it gives the SHA-1 hash value as a output for the image that we have given. So I want you all to try this command and record the video while you are trying it. Next, moving forward to task 2, that is volume and partition analysis. So in this we mainly use these three tools, that is the first one is mmls, the second one is mmstat, and the third one is mmcat. The mmls is a tool that is used to display the layout of the partitions in a volume system. That is, it displays the contents of a volume system basically. And when coming to mmstat, it is a tool used to display details about the partition table. And then mmcat, it outputs the contents of a specific file to another file. In this case, the contents of this into this one, that is partition2.dd. So let me just execute the first command. Sorry, my bad. I forgot to change it here. It is RM2. So you can see the details here. Like there are three disk partitions in this. That is unallocated, and the second one is a FAT32 type, and the third one is again unallocated. And next we have mmstat. This will return the type of volume system or like the disk image partitioning scheme that is used. Like so it returned DOS type. That means the file system that we are using is a Windows. So it's a Windows PC that we are using. And similarly, I want you to execute these two commands. This will return the like the details of the image CFREDS 2015 data leakage PC, like the metadata and every other thing, and it stores it in the partition2.td. And then this command here, it is similar to the command that we have executed first. So what's the main difference between these two commands is here we are using this two, that is -t and DOS. It just specifies that we want to analyze only a DOS partition table only, whereas here we are just analyzing the partitioning structure in general. It will analyze all the file structures such as like DOS, we have GPT and also Mac structures. But here it will only analyze the DOS partitioning structure. And next we have task 3, that is file system structure analysis. Here we use the command fstat, and fstat, it is a tool that is used for displaying the system statistics and metadata such as like block size, cluster count, etc. So we can just copy it again. So you can see all the metadata, and we can use this command to extract specific information related to the FAT32 file system. And then this third one is for like saving all the content that we got in the first one to a file name file system analysis.txt. And once we have like run this command, we can open the file using the command open followed by the file name. And then we have task 4, that is file and directory enumeration. So here we are using the command fls, and also fls tool, it is used to list file and directory names from a disk image or the system. So it has given us all the directory names that there are in that system. Similarly, please execute command 2 and 3. In the second command, it will just return the recursive list of entire file system that will be saved in the file, a complete file list.txt. You can just open it by using the command open and followed by the file name. And then the third command, it identifies all the deleted files and saves it in the file name deleted files.txt, and you can just open it similarly. And also I forgot to explain one more thing, that is these two parameters that we have used, that is -o and 128. Here we are specifying that the file system starts at sector 128. So that means the storage is empty till the sector 127 and it started at 128. Uh, that's it about the assignment 2. Let us meet with assignment 3. Thank you.